Hey everyone, Regan here, and you are watching Grow Crazy. Today I am making a veggie stock. I have been saving all the scraps of veggies that I've been using for like months now, and I just store them in their freezer. I have leek pieces and little like carrot stubs. Actually smells really good, I'm not gonna lie. I have some like pepper stubs in here. I have some frozen thyme in here that was about to go bad, some parsley stems, some pea stems. So literally every single scrap you can think of, save it. This recipe couldn't be more easy to make. And then you're not wasting a whole bunch of food either. So here's how you make it.